Hey, it's Adam from the Brisbane channel, and today I've got great news for koala lovers. The koalas are coming back, and it's largely thanks to Queensland University of Technology right here in Brisbane. Since the early 2000s, koala populations across Queensland have declined by 70 to 80%. But things are about to turn around. Recently, Brisbane City Council, together with the University of Queensland, reintroduced koalas into an area where they'd become extinct, bushland in Poo Corner and also Wacoal bushland. And the program was successful. Chandler, Glenda, Olive and a bunch of other koalas have been doing really well, and they've even gotten busy making babies, so the koala population has begun to increase again in those areas. But really the game changer is a new vaccine for chlamydia, which has been developed by Queensland University of Technology. And chlamydia has been a big part of the problem in koala populations declining, because chlamydia can affect koalas' ability to reproduce. And so this vaccine is going to help continue to grow the koala populations. So Brisbane City Council has announced that they're going to be looking at new areas where they can reintroduce koalas and boost the koala population. And they've just secured extra funding to do that. They're also going to be chipping in towards the registration of this new chlamydia vaccine. All the koalas released into the new areas will receive QUT's vaccine. But chlamydia is not the only thing that's threatening koala populations. A lot of koalas are hit by cars or trains as they're trying to cross roads and railway tracks. So our impact on their environment is really causing them a lot of issues. Another leading cause of death is dog attacks. So if you're walking your dog, definitely keep it on a leash and don't let your dogs wander away from your home. And finally, the last thing that threatens koala populations is destruction of their habitats, clearing of the bushland. But at least some things are improving. This vaccine is going to be a game changer, and it's really great that Brisbane City Council are expanding on their efforts to introduce koalas back into areas of bushland around Brisbane. I'm really committed to keeping you up to date with things that are happening in and around Brisbane, so definitely subscribe so you can stay up to date and not miss out on anything, and I'll see you in the next video.